you want to know how to do a back taper, let's get it my familum. Make your bald line using your trimmers, then line up your neck and behind the ears. Save this for when you need it or to show your barber how it's done. Using the clipper with no guards open to set your first guideline, 360 mirror will make your life 10 times easier. You can see how I use it to see different angles of my head. Close the clipper halfway then, all the way, and flick at the bottom line using the corner of your blade. Use your one guard open to set the second guideline, then use the half guard to flick out the line. I use a 2 guard to blend into the rest. To finish up, use 1.5 to do some detail work and blend out any dark areas to have that blurry texture. And now you're active, looking all leng with your back taper.